Today we are making one-pot Cajun chicken, and for it you need about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces. Next, you're going to want to mix your Cajun seasoning with your chicken. Next, you're going to want to put foil over your chicken to keep it warm. Saute your peppers and onions for about 3 minutes. You are going to want to add your garlic. And your seasoning, Cajun seasoning. Continue cooking for about 1 minute. You are going to want to add your chicken broth. Fire roasted diced tomatoes. And heavy whipping cream. You're going to want to add 12 ounces of penne pasta. Next, you're going to want to add about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir until it becomes thickened. Next, you are going to want to add your chicken. Right from the heat, you want to add your parsley, your heavy whipping cream, and your Parmesan cheese. It's delicious.